Let's take a look at what the weather has in store. And as we bit of wind this morning, making it seem a lot chillier than perhaps it is. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Sakina, and warm welcome. Yes, it is. There is a light wind outside that is blowing, and it feels colder than it is supposed to be. But it is very cold. There is a cold front that's sitting on our eastern side, but not affecting us that much. It is going to drop our temperatures to a maximum of 17 degrees. Remember, yesterday we were much higher than that. So we are expecting a much cooler, much colder day today than it was yesterday. But from tomorrow, temperatures will start to improve again. For now, let's take a look at your satellite image. We are seeing lots of activity over the southern parts heading to the northeastern parts. We are expecting lots of cloud cover over the northeastern interior. Currently, we're not seeing a lot, but we're seeing some few clouds over Eastern Cape to the northern parts of Lesotho. Now, this is what we're expecting for today. Partly cloudy skies, Eastern Cape going to KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We're also expecting isolated showers over the northeastern sides. Up to 60% chance of showers to the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal, going to some parts of the Kingdom of Eswatini and Mpumalanga, then isolated showers over the northeastern interior. Towards most parts of South Africa, it is going to be clear, but this cold front is affecting us today, and going to the afternoon, it will be sitting over the interior of Mpumalanga. So please be alert of that and be prepared of cold conditions and wet conditions over Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal, eastern parts of Limpopo, and some parts of Eastern Cape. Now, this is where we're starting our day. 4 in Johannesburg, -2 in Bethlehem and Bloemfontein, 1 for Sutherland, 6 for the city of Cape Town and Upington, 10 for Musina and 15 for Richards Bay. We're going to reach a maximum of 17 in Johannesburg for today, and Polokwane 23 for Musina, 17 for Mbombela as well, 15 for Komani, 19 for Bloemfontein, 17 Port Elizabeth, 20 for George and Beaufort West, 17 for Sutherland, the city of Cape Town at 19 degrees and 26 for Upington with Alexander Bay. Vredendale 27 degrees. To the interior, we're seeing much cooler conditions being affected by that cold front that's expected to be sitting over the interior of Mpumalanga for today. And the northern parts, we're seeing a maximum of 23 in Musina. For tomorrow, just partly cloudy skies, possibilities of drizzle over the northeastern interior, Limpopo to Mpumalanga. The southern parts, we are expecting partly cloudy skies, but clear over the interior. To move further from that, we're still expecting cool conditions over the southern parts, but the northern parts, Limpopo to the interior of Northern Cape, we are expecting warm conditions, but cool for most parts of South Africa. Well, that is all from the weather desk. Let's go to Robert.